Compilation of vocabularies. Our word for the day is fraud. There are three meanings of fraud. Number one, dishonest dealing. Cheating, trickery. In Tagalog, daya, pandaraya, dayaan. Example, a big fraud was discovered in the treasurer's office. Natuklasan ang isang malaking dayaan sa opisina ng Ingat Yaman. They lost a lot of money due to the fraud. Nawalan sila ng maraming pera dahil sa pandaraya. She reported the fraud to the authorities. Inireport niya ang pandaraya sa mga otoridad. The second meaning of fraud is something which is not what it seems to be. Huwad, falsifikado. So that is the second meaning of fraud. Example, the document is a fraud. Ang dokumento ay huwad. The DNA test result is a fraud. Ang resulta ng DNA ay huwad. Number 3 meaning of fraud, a person who cheats or deceives. Taong magdaraya, taong manlilinlang. He is fraud. Siya ay taong manlilinlang. He was convicted of financial fraud. Nakulong siya dahil sa panlilinlang sa